Hello, I'm going to do a quick review on the Happy Camper fan and light. First of all, it is freaking awesome. It's made out of all plastic, but it seems to be pretty durable. These are LED lights here, fan here in the middle. This is to hang it with, and it moves. You can also use it to prop with. Very simple controls. Has on and off the fan, on and off, high-low for the light, and a high-low for the fan. It takes two AA battery, or sorry, two D batteries, which go in under here. It's got the lid, and the batteries go in here, this is a little bit. There we go. It was kind of tough the first time you get it open. Takes two standard D batteries. Put them in. Close it up. Screw the lid back on. Light. That's on. So the light has an on and off to it. Does not have a high or low, just an on and off. It's a pretty cool light, very, very bright. It also has a fan. The fan does have a low and a high. It's not too loud, you can probably hear it. That's on high. That's on low. You can have the fan and the light on at the same time. Overall, it's a super nice light. The light actually moves separately from the fan. So you can have the fan blowing out this way and the light coming down. That's pretty cool. So overall, very nice light. And a fan. Be great for camping, hanging in a tent. Light for when we're inside with a fan. Like I said, overall, I absolutely love this light. It's very cool. Highly recommend. Thanks.